good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated 26th July 2022. The benchmark Nifty slipped lower before closing for the day as the proximity to the upper band of the rising channel on the daily time frame attracted selling pressure. Indian benchmark indices ended lower for the second consecutive session today with Nifty closing below 16,500. At close, the Sensex was down 497 points with a change of 0.55% at 55,268.49. On the stock-specific front, we have Bajaj Finserv, JSW Steel, and Grasim were among the top Nifty gainers. Bajaj Finserv shares rise as board considers stock split and issuance of bonus shares, while Grasim plans to enter the B2B e-commerce platform for the building materials segment with an investment of around 2,000 crore rupees over the next 5 years. On the flip side, we have Infosys, HUL, and Axis Bank down up to 3.49%. All the sectoral indices closed in the negative zone with the Nifty IT index falling nearly 3%, followed by the Nifty FMCG index down 1.5%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have the following. Bajaj Finserv informed the exchanges that its board will meet this week on Thursday, July 28, 2022 to consider the proposal of subdivision of equity shares or stock split as well as issue of bonus shares, along with considering its results for the first quarter ended June 2022. Shares of Bajaj Finserv surged more than 4% to 13,181 rupees apiece on the BSE in Tuesday's deals. The meeting of the Board of Directors would be on the 28th of July 2022, scheduled to consider and approve the unaudited financial results for the quarter ended the 30th of June 2022. The country's biggest major telecom companies are bidding for 5G spectrum on Tuesday. The battle has become interesting as billionaire Gautam Adani is competing with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Jio, Sunil Mittal-led Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea in the race to bid for 5G spectrum. The bidding is scheduled to continue till 6 p.m. and will carry over into the next day if there exists a demand for spectrum and bidders are putting in bids. Kotak Mahindra Bank has increased the interest rate on fixed deposits of tenors below 2 crore rupees from the 26th of July. The interest rate on fixed term deposits with a tenor of 365 days to 389 days has been increased by 10 basis points to 5.60% from the earlier 5.50%. Godrej and Boyce is investing an additional 300 crore rupees at its facility in Gujarat's Dahej to double revenues from the process equipment arm by financial year 2025. Godrej Process Equipment is investing to strengthen presence in the hydrogen and power sectors for delivery of specialized and large equipment for which 300 crore rupees investment is being made. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.